They once stood proud. But now, what happened? You touch them and ask, will they ever rise again? Let me tell you something. Sagging is not your destiny. There is a way back naturally, powerfully, spiritually. And here's the secret. Falling breasts are not just physical, they're symbolic. They reflect stress, neglect, habits, and sometimes spiritual battles. That today we reclaim them. Your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. 1 Corinthians 6:19. Yes, that includes your chest. And what is holy must be held up, honored, and not dragged down by bad habits. Step 1. Stop wearing brass all day, every day. You've been told that brass prevents sagging. But the truth, constant support weakens your natural chest muscles. You wear it all day, then again to sleep. Where is the freedom? Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is liberty. 2 Corinthians 3:17. Free them. Let your muscles learn to carry themselves again. Step 2. Targeted chest exercises. Avoid sit-ups that bulk your arms. Do push-ups, wall presses, chest flies, and palm presses. Do them slow. Feel the lift. Activate the fibers. Strengthen the weak hands and make firm the feeble knees. Isaiah 35:3. Even in your chest there is strength waiting to awaken. Step 3. Use natural oils and massage. Daily massage with olive oil, fenugreek oil, or shea butter improves circulation and firmness. Massage in circular motion 15 minutes daily. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Psalm 23:5. When God blesses, even your skin glows and lifts. Step 4. Eat these healing foods. Foods that heal and lift. Soy plant estrogen. Eggs collagen support. Avocado, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats. Papaya plus milk smoothies boost tissue elasticity. He gives food to every creature. His love endures forever. Psalm 136:25. Step 5. Drop these habits. Smoking, sleeping face down, weight fluctuations, slouching posture, wearing brass for more than 12 hours daily. Be not conformed to this world. Romans 12:2. You don't have to follow bad trends. Choose healing. Bonus secrets most women don't know. Secret 1. Iodine-rich foods like seaweed prevent breast tissue damage. Secret 2. Ice massages firm breast tissue naturally. Secret 3. Avoid caffeine excess, it breaks collagen. Secret 4. Chest tap exercises awaken muscle tone deeply. My people perish for lack of knowledge. Hosea 4:6. Now that you know, do not go back. The God factor. He cares even about your breasts. Yes, He cares about your body, your confidence, your healing. He will restore you to health and heal your wounds. Jeremiah 30 minutes and 17 seconds. This includes what you see in the mirror. Now, take a step. Don't just complain. Stand before the mirror. Start the routine. Declare His word. And love the woman you're becoming. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14. That beauty, that strength, it's not gone. It's rising again. Drop in the comment section. I will work. I believe.